Right, I wasn't gonna film, but fuck it, we're out and about, so I'm gonna film. I'm just going to the supermarket called Lotus. I've noticed a lot of you Thais are Man United fans. That is an L. That is a fat L for you at the moment. You just got rid of Rashford and now he's doing bits elsewhere. Look at this hotel. Le Bali. Really nice. So far, I have not had my phone stolen, probably because it's a shit phone, and they probably think, do you know what, I've got a better one than that. Oh wait, I should take a thumbnail. Okay. So yeah, quick trip to the shops. It's nice and stuffy and clouds are out, which is nice. It's not too hot today. Had a good gym session. Need to touch up my beard a little bit, not gonna lie. We've got a weird routine at the moment. We're just getting up at like 9, slamming the buffet, and from the buffet we go back to bed. I'll have like 2 coffees. Oh mate, the spicy food, yo, I'm not joking. I woke up 3 times last night. At 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning and 5 in the morning, yeah. My arsehole was on fucking fire. On fire, mate. I'm talking like burning, mate. Fucking, don't touch the breakfast buffet if it's spicy. Look at the 2 dogs. Hello. Yeah, nah, I'm not touching the fucking curry at all, ever again. Never again. But yeah, I'll whack the camera out in a few more minutes. Just out on a public road at the moment. And give you an update from there. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm on a pavement now, so I can kind of like, you know, keep a track of where I'm walking. Routine's fucked. 9:30 wake ups, going to the buffet, slamming that, slamming coffees, going back to bed and like waking up at like falling asleep for 11, waking up for like 1. But it's so fucking weird for me. I'm not used to this. And then from there, going to the gym, slamming the gym. The gym's a bit old school. 2 secs. Yeah, so the gym's a bit old school, but we got a good workout in. Then jumping in the pool. I just finished James Smith's book, which was really enjoyable. How to Be Confident. I think I'm trying to do that right now by fucking vlogging on the Thailand streets. What else? Yeah, got a few ideas. I'm writing a book, so I'm probably gonna get that sorted, get a digital book over and ready. I've had a few ideas on what I want to do. Probably focus the next 3 weeks on getting some bits sorted. Just to maybe get some, I'm thinking of doing like a low ticket telemarketing course for lads that are struggling with confidence on the phone. Obviously I've got quite a lot of cold calling experience now in real estate, so it's something that I could probably teach a few guys. The next thing will obviously be when I get into real estate. I've sold properties, but I wouldn't consider myself like a successful sales agent yet. So once I get that under my belt, I'll probably do a high ticket where I teach, you know, people how to be successful real estate agents. But first thing is I'm going to start the book. The book's the first thing. Then I'm thinking about doing the low ticket, the medium ticket, telesales, cold calling. So yeah, a few ideas, a few plans in the books, a few things to get sorted. I'm off to the supermarket. Yo, so I just thought I was filming and I wasn't. I've just been talking to a camera that wasn't filming. That's peak. So yeah, just in front of Terminal 21, which is quite famous over here in Thailand. I did have a good view of it, but now I don't. Got to get it in the back there. That's where I had the KFC and I blew my fucking arsehole off. Maybe get a quick clip of it. But yeah, then you've got the embassy, the Pattaya City Hall over there. And I'm at a place called Lotus. I'm pretty sure it's like a shopping centre. I don't know, like a supermarket where I can buy some food. So that's what I'm hoping to do. Anyway, in a bit. 2 seconds. Okay, I have no clue where I am. I don't know where the fucking supermarket is. It's kind of, yeah, I don't know what this is. It's kind of like a mini Miramar, like a shopping centre. I just need to figure out where the fuck the supermarket is. Okay, this is a food court. Yo, we've located it. Yeah, I'm hoping to get some cheaper prices here because I've been buying everything from convenience stores, and everything in convenience stores probably not as cheap as you think. It's cheap in Thailand, but it's not that cheap. So I'm just gonna grab a few bits for the next few days, just some healthy shit to get us by. You don't need to see me grab the fucking food or all of that stuff. You're getting bored of it. Yeah, this is Lotus, a supermarket in Thailand. I have to shout out the rice packets in Thailand. Look at the size of these fucking things. It's like a kilo worth of fucking rice. It's ridiculous. Look at this whole shelf. What the fuck is that? Mate, this smell coming off of this is mad. All this. Right, bag of food secured. Spent about €9. Mate, that was stressful, not gonna lie. I fucking hate food shopping. That's not for me. And just because I don't know what anything means, I can't talk to anyone. I don't speak Thai. So I couldn't even say bread to someone. I can't even get out. I don't even know how to get out of this place. It's mad. Look at all this gold. Yeah, I finally got all my food. I'm gonna dip. So hopefully you have fun food shopping with me. I'll probably take a quick video of outside. Show you where Terminal 21 is because we're only around the corner. And yeah, no, I don't do food shopping. That stressed me out. I feel stressed after that for some reason, especially because I didn't speak the language. I couldn't find bread. Bread took me ages to fucking find it. They put it in a complete different section. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the shit content. Okay, so as promised, there's Terminal 21. Basically just a big shopping mall with about 5 different floors, all with a different theme of a different country. Yeah, just hit up Lotus, got my bag of food, living a really fucking exciting life. There is actually a Muay Thai gym up here called Fairtex. That looks really good. I want to get back into martial arts, but I've got fake teeth at the front, so all it takes is one good jab and I've got no teeth and I've got to go to the dentist and fork out some cash. So the moment I get my implants in place and then everything else, I'll probably take up either Muay Thai, K1 again, or I'm thinking of Jiu-Jitsu, but I don't know. James Smith's been talking a lot about it, so I've been kind of thinking about it, but yeah, I don't know. I'll probably tap into it. Right now I'm just doing my weight training, my fitness, just keeping a good schedule, kind of like just overloading slowly. It's hard when you get into these hotel gyms, obviously, because they've got, like, this gym only goes up to 12.5s, so I'm having to be a bit creative. The moment I get to Australia, I can get in a really good routine, get in a really good gym, and then yeah, really stick to my plan as I was in Spain. Yeah, as you can see, do you know what? If you was in Spain, a lot of these people that were driving past would be beeping at you and would be fucking annoying the fuck out of you. That's the one thing that I don't find it. People kind of leave you alone. Sorry, it's just I'm taking everything in. Yeah, I think I'll just end it here. I've got to walk back to the hotel. I think this is our last week in Pattaya. Courtney's dad's here. From here we'll go down to Krabi, get some good content with the boys, do some island hopping as I've mentioned. I wish I brought my drone. I sold my drone to Jamie. Having a drone here would have been great because I could fucking get some really cool scenic shots. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to film everything on this iPhone. Eventually I'll upgrade. But I'm just chatting shit now. This video's gonna be longer than I wanted to be. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. As mentioned, these aren't the best, but as long as I'm posting, I'm happy, and slowly I'll get better. I'll probably start planning my content a bit more. Right now I'm just taking it easy. Obviously I'm in Thailand, so somewhere I've never been before. Taking everything in. Yeah, peace.